Hi, it's Darren with Smartsheet Guru. In this video, I'm going to show how you can create an asset purchase request in Appsheet. Now, one twist to this is this app will take a vehicle, if the asset is a vehicle, it will create a record in the vehicle fleet management platform, Fleetio. Let me show you my Fleetio account right now. You can see I have some sample vehicles in here. And then what I'm going to do is, let's say I'm a manager at a company. I'm going to submit an asset request. And then I'll have my administrator, Melissa. She will review my asset request, determine if she wants to approve it. If that request is approved, we'll get a nice PDF summary generated. And then items can then be purchased. And when an asset is purchased, if it's a vehicle, a record would be created in Fleetio. Let's see how this works. Okay, on my screen here, I've got the app here with my asset request. You can see I've created some already. I have some that are approved. I have one that was rejected. Go ahead, I'll start this asset request. Add that data, the request automatically populated. The requester is me. That's automatically populated too. I'll start with these assets. I have a few different, several different categories that I can pull from. And each category has predetermined assets that I can purchase. I'll say gas powered tools. I'll choose this chainsaw, and it will tell me the budgeted cost that I expect to spend. Let's go ahead and add something new. Let's add a truck here. We'll pull the Chevy, budgeted cost right there. And if you notice here on the asset request, that total cost, projected cost, is being tallied right here. Go ahead, add something else. Add some wrenches. There we go. Okay, I'm done shopping for today. So I'll hit save. And now I'm going to turn it over to Melissa. She's going to show you that she has received a notification that I've submitted a request, and I'll let her decide if she's going to approve my request or not.
Thank you, Darren. Here is the email that I received when Darren submitted his request. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, which will take me directly to his request in Appsheet. I can approve or reject it with the buttons here. If I want to look at the details of the request, I can click through, and it will show me each of the assets that he requested. I am going to approve this, and we'll have me sign here at the bottom. All right, when that's done, I can go over to asset requests. As an administrator, I can also see everything. So here is the one that I just approved, and you will see that a PDF was generated with the details all noted. Nice in a summary page here. All right, and to continue on, now that it is approved, I'm going to purchase an asset. So we will do the Chevy purchase item. Our budgeted cost was $57,000. Let's say we got this at a discount. So you'll see that there's a calculation here that automatically pulled through. Put in a asset ID and who we purchased it from. Say Trucks. Save. And now the item has been purchased and should go through to Fleetio. Back to you, Darren.
All right. Thanks for the new truck. I look forward to taking it out for a spin there. Let's see, I'll charge the car wash to the company card if that's okay. So now I'm on Fleetio here, and we see that this is before I refresh the screen. Now, once I refresh the screen, we'll see that Chevy 2500 show up. There we go. There it is. Chevy Silverado 2500. Remember, she got a nice little discount there. Purchased it for $56,000. So if you go to financial, there's that purchase price, $56,000. This was a very quick proof of concept here. So I didn't put in anything like VIN or purchase date or any other information, but that could all be pushed from Appsheet over to the API into Fleetio, if you wish. So now I'm going to let Melissa take over again and show you as an administrator what are some of the other basic features of the asset management app.
Okay, so another tab that we have here is the master asset list. So once items are purchased, they'll come into the list and be categorized. So if you click into pending delivery, you'll see this one that I just purchased. Once it's received, then I can click activate asset, and that would now put it into the active assets category. Here we go. Vehicle. Here's my active Chevy Silverado. You can also mark any of these items as inactive if they are no longer in use, and then that would recategorize them into the inactive group.
All right, great. Thanks for that little demo of the admin side of the app there, Melissa. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a relatively simple asset management app built as a proof of concept to show really that connection between Appsheet and Fleetio, but also some of the other workflow aspects that you can build into an Appsheet application. An Appsheet, when you build an app, it can be used either on the browser, like we just demonstrated, or with that same app can easily be used on an Android or iOS device as well. This example app is storing the data in Google Sheets, but it could very easily store that same data in Smartsheet or any number of other supported platforms. If you choose to go with Appsheet Enterprise, you could even connect the application to a cloud database. Here is the current summary of supported data sources with Appsheet. You can see Appsheet does have a native database for small data sets. Then you can go on to the cloud spreadsheet providers, your Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. Then we see some databases. These are the cloud databases that are supported. And finally, you can use other data providers, such as the Airtable, Box, Dropbox, Smartsheet, and these other ones that are shown. So Appsheet is very flexible, and you can mix and match your data sources too. So if you have some data in Smartsheet, you can have other data in Google Sheets or Excel Online. And one thing to keep in mind, if you are a current Google Workspace customer, most likely you already have Appsheet included in your plan. You do not have to have Google Workspace to use Appsheet. It would just incur some additional usage fees for subscriptions to Appsheet. Okay, hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about Appsheet, Smartsheet, or Fleetio, reach out. smartsheetguru.com/contact. Thanks for watching.